it was my best friend you were chatting
Baby,
with.
it's not what you think.
It's exactly what I think.
Okay, you go order something or you just dey download film with our Wi-Fi?
No vex, na research I dey do. How to buy cheapest meat pie.
I said bring my rent today.
Landlord, abeg give me small time. My destiny is still loading.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A few days ago, OpenAI dropped a brand new tool called Sora AI, and honestly, it's blowing minds everywhere. Sora can turn your text prompts or images into high-quality, realistic videos. It's like having your own mini movie studio powered by AI. The quality, movements, and clarity are something we've never seen before. It feels so real. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to access it, how to use it, and how to create your first AI video step by step. Meet Sora OpenAI's new AI video tool. Turns text and images realistic videos. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because I'll be dropping more tutorials and updates about AI tools like this. You can also join our Telegram community and WhatsApp creators group. The links are right there in the description below. Alright, let's dive into how you can use Sora AI right now. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and create your video prompt. Describe the kind of scene or animation you want. Step 2. Go to your Play Store and download Urban VPN. Step 3. Open Urban VPN, turn it on, and select USA as your location. Step 4. Now open your Chrome browser, type sora.com, or simply click the link in the description. Step 5. Sign up using your email or Google account. Step 6. Once you're logged in, click the plus and paste your ChatGPT prompt. Step 7. You can also upload an image to turn it into a video, just like that. Step 8. Tap Post, and then select Share. Step 9. Choose Video, and boom, your video is ready. You've officially created your first video using Sora AI. Steps, recap, ChatGPT, VPN, Sora.com, paste prompt, post, share video. You can use text or an image to generate your scene. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use Sora AI step by step. Now, for those who stay till the end, I've got something special. I'll be dropping my exclusive invite code for lucky viewers who want faster access to Sora AI. So don't miss it. Check the description or pinned comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, share, and comment Sora ready below. See you in my next video. Stay creative and keep shining. For the invite code, check description or pinned comment. Comments, Sora ready. Tell me the next tutorial you would want me to drop.
You think life is TikTok? Better face your book before poverty face you.
Mommy, I just dey post small content.
Post your results first.
Mommy, I'm tired of reading.
Nope, summer hoodie attitude in my stride. I don't fake a smile, I just move and let it slide. Pink boots stomping, heartbeat drumming. If you bring the good vibes, better keep them coming.